If you want to get full mark in your ICSE class 10 board examination, don't skip this video. As an ICSE school teacher, I know it very well how answer should be written in both copies. Because whenever we check the answer, we come across to the wide range of different type of answers. So today, I will tell you how to write down the best answer in the board. So watch this video to the last to get the full marks in ICSE class 10, because ICSE class 10 chemistry is not about writing more. It is about to the point answer, scientific word and conclusion line. I'll discuss everything in detail, so watch the video properly. Before starting class 10, you should know how to study and what to avoid, how to make yourself note. I already uploaded this video. Go to the video portion of this YouTube channel and watch this video. And this is also the another video and another important video for your board. So let's get started. See, ICSE follows first point wise marking. Whenever any question will come, ICSE always follow the point wise marking, like mathematics, all of you know. Second, keyword. I will explain everything in detail, so watch this video. Keyword. Whenever any question will come like definition or any 2 marks 3 marks question, 3 marks question will not be there, okay. For any 3 marks 1 plus 2 or 1 plus 1 plus 1. If any 2 marks question will be there, then try to use the keyword. What is the keyword? For example, in case of attraction force by the nucleus. Attraction force by the nucleus, suppose A and B. This bonded electron attracted by the B. So don't write attraction force by the nucleus is more. Instead of attraction force, write electronegativity of B is more than A. Electronegativity is the keyword, scientific word, then that of attraction. Okay, whenever you use this keyword, underline this word using pencil. And no extra storytelling. If you think, if you cover all the page and teacher will give the full marks, no. To the point first, point wise marking, to the point answer. Don't write any story. Okay, so I will discuss. This is the pattern that follow the ICSE. I will tell you in very detail how to write down the best answer. First, suppose this is our first point. Today I will tell near about 7, 8 points for board. First, any question, normal question answer, that is definition. Definition. How to write down the definition in board? Suppose the question is, what is a reducing agent? In this type of question, write to the point answer, point wise marking. To the point answer means reducing agent is a substance that lose an electron, gain of hydrogen ion, or lose an electronegative element like oxygen and chlorine. That type of definition I already uploaded in the short portion of this YouTube channel. No, YouTube shorts are there, so watch the shorts. In the shorts I already uploaded this definition. These YouTube channels strictly based on ICSE pattern. Everything is scientific. If I will tell anything baseless, no, everything is scientific based on ICSE pattern. So I already uploaded this scientific definition of reducing agent. You can check the shorts. So if definition will come, what is a reducing agent? Your answer is reducing agent is a substance that lose an electron or gain of hydrogen atom or lose an electronegative element like oxygen or chlorine. Okay, don't write any extra point. Don't try to make a story. Your answer is finished. Okay, don't write any extra thing. Done. So this is our first type, definition. Our second type. Suppose second type is 2 marks question. 2 marks questions. For 2 marks question, it is better to make it point wise or use keyword words. See, for example, point wise. Point wise means, suppose you can write down the question also. It is not possible for me to write all the questions, all the answer, then the video become long. I'll try to make the concise video, proper video. If you watch the 20 minutes give you a proper concept regarding the topic, how to write down the best answer. So for 2 marks question is, suppose on which factor ionization energy depends. Okay, so for that type of question, point wise, first point, ionization energy, first the nuclear force or nuclear attraction. This is your first point. So underline this point, and under this point write, if the nuclear attraction increases, nucleus attracts the outermost shell with more effective nuclear force, then ionization energy increases. Done. 2 lines only. Now second point, so you can write number of orbits. Underline this and write, if the number of orbits increases, then the distance from nucleus to outermost shell increases, then ionization energy decreases. Done. So don't make a story, to the point answer. So for 2 marks question, always make points. Okay, now it is not possible everywhere to make the points. For example, another 2 marks question. How does ionization energy vary across a period? How does ionization energy vary? Write down the question. How does ionization energy vary across the periods? So for this, it is not possible, suppose, to make the point. If you can, then it's okay. But during the exam time, no, you have so much pressure in the examination hall. Suppose you cannot make the point, then for this answer, you write down the perfect answer across the period. How does ionization energy vary? After writing, see, these are the main base. Underline the keywords for that. So for 2 marks question, definition already done. For 2 marks question, if it is possible, make points. Otherwise, keyword underline. It is not my point. ICSE follows this point. You cannot omit this point. You have to follow this point. And in YouTube, this type of videos, this previous video, this type of videos are not available. If it is available, it is not scientific. Okay, so it is done. So our second part done. 2 marks question done. Now third type of question. Any type of reaction. Any type of reaction. Okay. Sorry. Now, any type of reaction. For example, if I choose this type of reaction, zinc, when react with HCl, it will form zinc chloride plus hydrogen. No, it is not the proper way for ICSE. Whenever, especially from inorganic chemistry, suppose you have to write down some reaction in your answer. Okay, especially in chemistry, you can check analytical chemistry is a chapter. Preparation of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, so many inorganic parts are there. For this type of chapter, suppose this reaction is mandatory. whenever you write down the answer, try to write down the state. Suppose zinc solid, HCl, suppose it is aqueous, AQ, zinc chloride solid, suppose it is gas, and since it is hydrogen, give upwards arrow. No one can cut your marks. Okay, so if any reaction will be there, first mention the states: solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous, fourth state. Okay, now if it is possible, you can do the balance, but it is not mandatory. If it is possible, if you have enough time, you can do it, balancing. For example, see 2, then it is balance. Okay, so this is the tricks for the any type of reaction. Okay, now fourth. Now fourth is diagram. Suppose if you want to draw any diagram, for example, simple example, see, it is not required to draw the huge diagram preparation, all the apparatus of the preparation of the hydrochloric acid, everything, conical flags, burette, cylinder. Okay, it is not required. Simple diagram, make your answer copy simple. That I told already, ICSE chemistry answer is not about writing more, it is about scientific, use the scientific word and conclusion lines also. So diagram means, not that I told, not about the huge diagram, preparation of sulfuric acid, all the diagram, apparatus, burette, etc. No, simple atomic structure. Suppose whenever you try to draw, suppose this question, for this question, define atomic radius. Simple question. After definition, you can give this simple diagram. So after drawing using pencil, mark everything right hand side. Suppose write electrons or electron, arrow, nucleus, orbit. So in this way, mark everything in right hand side. So it is all about diagram. So we already completed 4. Now now our fifth part, and most important, one of the most important part, fifth part is question type is differentiation. Most important. See, question is differentiation between ionic and suppose covalent compound. Okay, most of the students do in this way. No, make a table, ionic and equivalent. No, you should first make properties. Properties. In this first property, suppose melting point. So you can write melting point of ionic compound is high, melting point of covalent compound is low. Done. Second, conductivity. So yes, don't do this, since I don't have this space. Make a proper table, straight line. Okay, conductivity. Ionic compound is a good conductor, in aqueous or molten state. Covalent compound is bad conductor of electricity. So in differentiation, make the 3 column always differentiations between the 2 subjects. Obviously will be given in question paper. 2 subject means ionic and covalent. So always try to make 3 column. Understand? Okay, so this is about our fifth. Now, sixth point is this point number 2, keywords. Keywords means don't try to use your own word. Attraction, listen, attraction by an atom, attraction of the, see, attraction of the bonded electron towards itself. No, attraction of the bonded pair of electrons. Bonded pair of electrons. No, don't use this term. Attraction of the bonded pair of electron is more for atom B. No. The proper word is keyword. Proper word is electronegativity of B is more. This is your answer, and underline this term electronegativity. So instead of this attraction of the bonded pair of electron, these all lines replaced by a single word electronegativity, then you will get the full marks. So see, so many words don't write, use the replace all the words by a single word electronegativity. So this is the keyword. Okay, so next concept. Now our seventh point. Seventh point is presentation. So in presentation, write down the 4 points. First, same, use keywords. Third, underline, sorry, second, underline. Third, give proper gap. And next, point 1, 2, 3. So don't write down the answer line after line. No, give the proper gap. Suppose 2 lines, then change the para or go to the next line. Or first 2 line, give the point number 1, next point number 2. So give the proper gap, proper numbering. Whenever you write down the keyword, underline the keywords. Already I told what is the keyword, no, in the previous example. So this is all about how to write down the best answer. As an ICSE teacher, I will try to guide you how to write down the board answer. Do you know what is the process of checking the ICSE answer? Whenever a teacher check the ICSE answer copy, then this answer sent to the another head examiner. He or she will again recheck the answer copy. If any mismarking is there, suppose teacher have been given the more or the less mark, then the head examiner come to the teacher and asks about the marking. So don't think about teacher will not give the mark, because your answer copy will pass through the several number of the step, that is checking, again rechecking. So try to follow, and the best advice is try to write down all the 7 points including these 3 in the first page of your chemistry copy if you want to get the full marks in your ICSE class 10 examination, that is 80 out of 80. All of you know it very well. Our main motto of this YouTube channel is how to secure the full marks 80 out of 80. So follow this YouTube channel. This is completely based on ICSE pattern. So in the next day, I'll come with the new topic, maybe based on your syllabus or any other video. So watching this channel, thank you.